How to construct regular polygons. In this video, we're going to look at how to construct a regular octagon with a perimeter of 16 centimeters. Octagon means 8 sides. That means I need to take my perimeter and divide it by n, which is 8. For this polygon, each side is going to be 2 centimeters. So that's one of the two pieces of information we need to have. The second important piece of information is the interior angle. So the interior angle formula is n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. In this case, our n is 8. So 8 minus 2 times 180 divided by 8, we get 135 degrees for each of those 8 angles. So two things we do, and then we repeat. So we draw our first side, 2 centimeters. Label that side length. And once we have that done, we are going to measure an angle. Now, 135 is an obtuse angle. So I'm going to look all the way. There's 130, 140, halfway. I'm going to make a little mark. I'm going to put my 0 at the end of my line, but I only need to go from 2 back to 0. Label that angle, and then I'm going to show that that side's congruent to the first side. And now I'm going to work my way around my shape. So what happens each time we add a side, we are working our way back to the first side that we did. Careful each time, make sure the center of your protractor is right there. Carefully see where your number is, because if we're off by a degree or two here, we're going to be off by at the end. There's another side, congruent angle, congruent side. And you can see that I'm just repeating those 2 steps. And we do that no matter how few or how many sides we need to have. We want to make sure we are carefully measuring. Line up the line. Because I'm at 6, I'm just going to go. That gives me another 2 centimeters. You can see I'm turning the corner, heading the way back to right where I started. 135. Now, I'm not putting my ruler at 0 anymore because I'm heading up my left-hand side here. So I'm just showing you that I can still do 2 centimeters even if I'm not right at that 0. Always measure twice, so you only draw once, so we make sure. Now you can see I've just drawn my 7th side. I don't have to measure for my last side, but when I put my ruler down, 0, and you can see I'm like almost exactly right at that 2. You're allowed to be 2 millimeters more or less than that last side. So here we have a regular octagon with a perimeter of 2 centimeters, and each angle is 135 degrees.